Tata Jacob Zuma, Tata! Tata, the people's president, Tata! Pansi, the lying Ramaphosa, Pansi! Pansi, the thieving, stealing Ramaphosa, Pansi! Comrades, this Ramaphosa, he stole from you and he stole from me. You're not supposed to get 350 I. No 350. The rest of the money, he stole it. That money must come to you. Namalala, MK is going to bring it to the people. You get more than 350. Don't get excited for 350 I. Under MK, our traditional leaders will have respect. They will be respected. There will be a special place for them in government. Our traditional leaders will be honored for the role they play in our communities. Under MK, we will go back to the Freedom Charter, where the country's wealth will belong to the people and not just Ramaphosa and his white monopoly capital. Under MK, our children will have a brighter future. Under MK, we are going to have hope. Under MK, there's going to be unity in this country. My comrades, my friends, my brothers and sisters, I want to tell you today, our survival depends on voting for MK on the 29th of May on all ballot papers. Viva MK!